I'd just like to say thank you to the Friends of Swanbourne House for donating this amazing Ultimaker 3D printer to the Design, Engineering and Technology Department at Swanbourne House. So we're very lucky at Swanbourne to have this amazing Ultimaker 3D printer. What it allows us to do is to rapid prototype something. So if we've got a pupil in maybe year 8 or year 7 who's designing something for maybe a scholarship in a senior school, and they've got a little bit of an odd design, we can design it on 3D software, and then essentially we can press print, and what will happen is the Ultimaker will actually produce what we've drawn on the screen. So anything that's really complicated that we might not be able to do in a conventional way can be done really easy with the Ultimaker 3D printer. The machine is going to be used with most of the classes within the school, probably more the senior school than the junior school, but it's going to be of particular use to our design and technology scholars who in their enrichment activities will be putting projects together ready for their senior school applications. So they'll be able to design this on 3D software and then produce some amazing portfolio evidence to take with them.
Yeah.
So obviously we haven't had it very long, so this is just something that we've produced. This was their test piece. This is a headphone stand, and this one here is just something that we've come up for the motor heads, a motor tube. That's a piston ring that we've 3D printed in 3 pieces, and then it all just fits together.